Young one between number 21, first ball. 13, number 13 to number 8, Lawrence. Bigay niya number 24. Guillermo, pass to number 13, for Gadas, taken 3. No good. Out of bounds. Last touch by number 24. Pass to Sister. To number 30. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 2, pass to number 10. Binigay sa Gilas, sinawin niya out of bounds. Number 13. To number 8, Tiara. Pass to number 21. Number 21, take it through. Number. And pass to number 21. Number number 24, pass to number 21. Number 21, 3 number 7, to number 8. Number 8, right to the basket. To number 21. Number 21. Number 10, super sa gitna, tumira. Wala, rebound by number 1, Alamares. Pass to number 13, Forcadas. To Niliama. To Flores. Number 8, pass to number 21. Number 21, binigay kay number 1. 14 to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 13, Forcadas. To number 24. 8 seconds to shoot. 5 to shoot. To number 24. Kajong, number 2, clear, press, go. Rebound by number 13, pass to number 1. Alamares, back-to-back, finish the foul. May ginawag na offensive foul. Number 2, Lysy, nakuha number 20 na bola, bigay niya number 21, 3 on 3. Number 21, Tulina, Elvon. Nakuha number 21 ng 4, pass to Borgalas, 2 on 3. Number 13, Nagdula, number 24, Niyama. Ria, inagawan. 14 to shoot. Pass to number 13. Tuwira. No good. Rebound by number 13. Pass to number 21. Number 21. Crossover. Pass to number 1. Alamares. Driving to the basket. Knocking out of the foul. See number? Good for that. First row shoot. Second throw. Basket time. Pass to number 10, Brian. Nasa juga ng bola. Nakuha. Out of bounds. Same ball. 15 to shoot. Pass to number 19. Number 19, Sister. Pass to Gaboy. 14 to shoot. By number 8, pass break number 13. Number 13 for Gala. Super shot number 6. Number 8, 10 to shoot. Super shot number 1. Number 33, Iberba. 14 to shoot. Pass to Sister. Nice team. Now number 21. Pass number 13. 3 on 2. 3 on 3. Number 6. 13. Pass number 1. Number 3. So you're shot number 1. Nice shot. Number 21. Hinaras. 21. Tumalbalo na sa kanyang bait. Wala bait. Na-rebound ni number 21. Bola. Yang sangat number 30 to number 11. Alamares binigay kay number 21, number 21. Ini-stop na ba yung skill number 15. Binigay sa kalaban ng number 1, Alamares. Relax lang. Binigay kay number 21. Pass to number 13. 15 seconds to shoot. Number 8, Lawrence. Raise the line. The winner, 12 back to back. 13.8 by Team 4. Number 30, Mabilana. Binigay ang bola kay number 15, Sister. Sister to Pabilona. To Sister. Iwan lang lumabas ang bola. Nakakuha ng number 10. Pass to number 13. Pass break to number 8. Number 8. To number 1. Number 1 to number 3. Jaime. Tumirang. Pinili. Wala na ako yung ginagawa. Pass to number 28. Number 28. 10 to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. Still the number 15. Pass to number 23. Number 23. Yeah. Over number 24. Pass to number 3. Number 3 to number 24. Pass to number 28. Number 28. Side step. Nice two. Number 10. Still now number 3 and bola. High bay. Foul to number
1 hour.
first row. Second row number 3 number 21. Pass to number 23. Number 23. Bola ng 4. Good. Out of bounds. Team by number 24. Number 24. 3 or 3. Number 24. Binigay sa Dila. Tumira. Wala. Binigay by number 24. Binigay by number 3. Pass to number 24. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 24. Tumira. Loaded. Binigay by number 15. Number 24. To number 3. Jaime. Tumira ng 3. Number 10, Julian. Binigay sa gitna kay number 21. 14 to shoot. May tinawag na foul si number 24. No good. Rebound by number 24. Pass to number 2. Number 2, Jaime. Tumira ulit ng 3. Ako, back to back. Rebound by number 10. Brian. Binigay na number 2. Pass to number 23. Number 23. Binigay kay number 15. Nice. Sundutan ng number 29, 28. Number 28, pagkatawag, nakuha number 3. Number 3, pass to number 16, number 16. Nakasunod, double shot. Rally by Lisa. Pass to number 17, number 17 to number 1. Alimay. Wala, tumulog, wala. Nalimay number 13, pass to number 16. Number 18, Sister. Binigay sa gilid. Si number 2 na po wala na rebound number 24. Pass to number 28. Number 28. Wala rebound. Pass to number 28. Number 28 to number 3 Jaime. Tumira. Wala rebound number Jaime. Number, let's go ng foul. Para may lang eh. Sergio Lagos, rebound by number 19. Pass to number 2, Aboy. To number 23, 14 to shoot. Number 10, Gria, binigay sa gilid. Tumira ng press. No, the rebound by number Pabilona. Number 20, wala ba na ako yung 20 number 3. Number 23, pass to Pabilona. Number 30, nice to number 28. Binigay na number 21. Number 21, nagmamadali. Number 21, Mila. Wala, hindi na number 17. Number 17, Mila. Ang laki ko. Wala, number 19. Nabarasa, pass to number the boy, Pabilona. Tumira, magkakaroon ng foul para kay number 28. Magaling. Number 28 na alas ng tatlo. Binigay ang bola kay number 8. Number 8, pass number 21. Number 21, Tumira. Number 10, the rebound by number 19. Number 19, binigay sa number 28. Wala, lihat na rin. Ano pa? Pasti number 2. Tinggal tinggal dengan wala nga lang sayang yun. Ano pa? Number 21, 32. Nag-group na kayo ng hindi na bola. Wala, di ba number 1? Pasti number 8. Number 8, Claire. Tuan Alaman. Alaman. Tuan Alaman. Fast break to number 28. Number 1, David Bruno, negative, pass number 3. Number 19, Bernardo, pass to Arito, to number 24, Villava. Binigay number 16 to number 3 to Lionel Andres. The good team by number 21.